Yo, you ever feel like a fraud waiting to get exposed? Like your success is just luck? Nah, son, that's imposter syndrome lying to you. 82% of high achievers feel this way, but today we're gonna flip the script. Listen up, your brain's playing tricks on you. 70% of millennials sabotage their own success because they don't feel worthy. But here's the thing, people who beat imposter syndrome earn 40% more, according to Forbes. You really gonna let fake thoughts cost you money? Here's 5 solutions for beating imposter syndrome and why they work. 1. Fake it till you become it. Your brain can't tell real confidence from acted confidence. Stand like a boss in the mirror for 2 minutes daily. Stand in the energy of knowing how you present yourself is how people will treat you. 2. Keep receipts of your wins. People who document wins feel 3 times more competent, according to Psychology Today. Screenshot compliments, save boss emails, make a dope shit I did folder. 3. Stop the comparison game. Comparing upward motivates, comparing downward depresses, according to a Stanford study. Here's the thought process. They're dope? Okay, cool. I'm learning from them, not losing to them. 4. Talk to your younger self. Self-compassion reduces imposter feelings by 65%, according to the Clinical Psychology Journal. Write a letter to teenage you. We made it out the struggle. This is our time. 5. Study your hero's struggles. Beyonce got rejected from Star Search. Lauryn Hill was booed at the Apollo. Jay-Z sold CDs from his trunk. Here's your homework. Google or search your role model plus failure on YouTube and breathe easier. Look, everyone who's anyone has faced imposter syndrome. The key is to not believe the lie. You are the only one who can turn your greatest internal struggles into your greatest superpowers. Your doubts, they prove you care deeply about your work. Your fear of failure, it means you're playing a bigger game than most. That voice saying you don't belong, it's just your old self scared of the new level you're reaching. Imposter syndrome means you have standards. Now use them to outwork everyone. Every time you doubted yourself but did it anyway, that's called courage. The day you stop feeling too new is the day you get lazy. Stay hungry. Comment level up if you're done letting doubt steal your shine. Let's build a movement of people who turn their WTF am I doing into watch me win.